Guess who? Goodbye, winter. Hello, Rio.
What are you doing here?
I'm on vacation.
Me too.
Buzz, Brazil is big enough for the both of us, so I'll ignore you if you ignore me.
I'm ignoring you already. Cha-cha-cha.
What did you find, amigo?
A message in a bottle, but it looks like just a bunch of random symbols. Can you make anything of it?
Oh. The Jade Jaguar! You have found a map to the fabled Jade Jaguar!
Jade Jaguar? That's a good thing, right?
Oh, it is, brother. But the Jaguar is hidden deep in Rio's rainforest. It is easy to get lost.
Can you help me find it?
Luis can help you find anything. Unless it doesn't want to be found, of course.
Nice to meet you, Luis. I'm Woody.
So someone has got himself a treasure map.
Right this way, Woody. So, what do you think?
It's beautiful down here.
I'll let that bird brain lead me to the spoils, then I'll steal it right out from under his beak. Buzz off! What?
Well, looks like we're at the first marker on the map. I can fly, but how do we get you across?
I swing!
Well, I'm happy to get into the swing of things, too. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa!
The map says we must pass through here.
Ooh, I sure hope this Jade Jaguar is worth the effort.
Oh, it will be for me.
Yeah. Oop.
Not to worry. Sometimes these caves have little creatures living in them. And sometimes they have big creatures too.
I'll try to remember that the next time I never go to a dark cave again!
It has been nice knowing you, my friend.
We'll get out of here in one piece, Louise. Just do what I do.
I must admit, that was rather fun! Except for the giant carnivorous arachnid portion. And I pee-peed myself.
Hey, is someone there? Ha! A buzzard is born prepared.
The Jade Jaguar is at the top of a cliff downstream, but will need transportation.
Welcome aboard the SS Woody. Please watch your step.
Change your plans.
Buzz,
I'll be sure to give your regards to the Jade Jaguar.
hand that back!
Don't worry, Woody. I remember the way. A monkey never forgets.
But I thought it was an elephant that never forgets.
Elephants have forgotten that they learned to remember from the monkey.
Huh? I'm rich! Huh? Wait, look. Oh, no, you don't. This is my treasure. Huh? Wait, the Jade Jaguar is a restaurant? Well, that means the message in the bottle was...
An advertisement. Pretty clever, huh?
There's no treasure?
There's no greater treasure than sharing a good meal with a new friend.
Well said, brother.
Not again!
Didn't I tell you Brazil is the best, Winnie? And just the two of us. And your mom says I'm not romantic.
Oh, it's beautiful. Come on, let's get a picture together. Extend the arm. Don't block the mountain. A little more. More. A little to the left. Higher. Perfect. It's so nice to get some us time. Just you, me, and romantic Rio de Janeiro.
Olá, meus amigos!
Hey! Winnie, meet my newest amigo, Luis, the best tour guide in all of South America. I invited him to join us all weekend. Isn't that great?
Define great. You know what they say, sweetie. Two's company.
E three's a festa!
Oh, yeah! Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
It is lovely to meet you, minha querida.
Ooh.
Hey now.
Relax. Luis is just being polite.
Won't you let me show you my beautiful city?
Ooh, see. Oh, Luis, you're so funny. I do declare, your tropical sun has me simply parched.
Fear not, minha querida. Luis will secure for you a refreshing coconut beverage.
Nuts to that. I'll cut out the middleman. Mission accomplished. Missed me. Oh.
Obrigada, Luis. Did I pronounce that right?
Like a local. Believe me when I say, you have not truly experienced Brazil until you have attended one of our football matches.
Oh, Luis, I absolutely adore football.
Then I will purchase the finest seats for us, minha querida.
Hey, since when did you start caring so much about soccer?
Since Luis made it sound so enchanting.
Forgive me. The match is sold out. It is a championship contest. Brazil and Sweden.
That's all right, Luis. I'm sure you'll find something else for us to do that's just as wonderful.
Oh no. If it's football the lady wants, then it's football the lady will get. It's Woody's turn to be wonderful.
Woody, what are you doing?
After you. Allow me.
Oh, what's that smell? Woody, are you sure the storm drain leads into the stadium?
Actually, this might be more of a, how you say, sewer?
Hey, look! Daylight! See? I told you I'd get us into the stadium.
So, how close are we to the field?
Best seats in the house.
With the score tied and only seconds on the clock, Eliasinho, he shoots!
Oh!
That was clearly fan interference, yeah.
How can it be fan interference? I'm not even a fan.
All right, there is nothing in the rule book about a migrating woodpecker. Brazil wins!
carrying us to the showers, amigos. You two smell terrible. Phew!
My friend, let the experts show you how it's done.
Peaches.
Oh, Buzz! I thought we were doing something special today.
We are! Score! Veronica, this is the best Valentine's Day ever.
At your service.
Veronica, where have you been all my life?
Oh, Buzz.
Hi there, Wendy. Mind if I join you?
Actually, Wally, morning is me time.
I thought the Valentine's Day was supposed to be we time. Ah. I'm on the case.
Wally, you're so soft and doughy.
Voila! Winnie's gonna love this. Oops.
Oh, Wally! Look, I made your favorite.
Winnie, you're the best.
Woody, I've been thinking. Don't you agree that it's time we made our relationship more committed?
Committed? Huh?
I do.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Cartoon characters don't pay taxes! You know what to do.
Piece of cake.
Commitment. Ha! I don't need no stinking commitment. I'm an independent agent, a solo act. I'm free. Free as a, well, as a bird. Hey, what's the big idea?
Just hold still, sir. This'll only take a second.
Whoa!
Come on. Why you running from love?
I'm allergic to it!
I'll just have to up my game.
Whoa! Yikes!
Say hello to my little friend.
Persistent little guy, isn't he? Fire in the hole! Yoo-hoo! Missed me again!
Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. You'll thank me one day.
Hey, Cupid Bear, I'll make it easy for ya. You couldn't hit a... Uh-oh.
Latest model, Heat Seeker.
Shh! I'm hiding from the missile. The missile! Yikes! Wow! Ted, you're it!
Wow. Why, hello there. I want to be your Valentine.
Huh? What happened to Woody? me.
Forget the woodpecker. He doesn't deserve you. Let's get married right now.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Come back, love of my life.
Happy Valentine's Day, folks. And remember, if you spot a flying panda... Hey, wait a second, you wing weirdo. Winnie's my girl. I want to be committed. I changed my mind. I want to be committed. Commit me. Commit me. Another beautiful evening. But you know what would make it perfect? A piping hot pizza. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Huh? Wow! Pizza delivery has gotten really high tech.
Grandmother could land a ship better than you, and she's blind in one eye.
Grandmother only has one eye.
Precisely.
Don't mean to interrupt, fellas, but do you two have my pizza?
Pizza? We're aliens from a distant galaxy. My name is Glorbnorb, the Third.
And I'm Todd. We've been sent on a mission to bring a typical Earthling back to our planet for study.
Would you care to volunteer?
Will there be pizza?
No, but there will be experimentation.
And probing.
And maybe a little dissection.
Thanks for the offer, but I just remembered how much I like keeping my anatomy intact. Maybe another time.
Stop, potential Earthlings fascinating!
Snapped.
Oops, maybe I should have yelled timber! Boy, oh boy, yum diggity. The old holographic pizza trick. Oh, poison! They got me!
How can anyone be poisoned by a hologram?
I suspect foul play.
Me too!
Double snapped!
I wonder what the other settings do. I'm gonna leave, but you guys are welcome to stay and chillax.
That Earthling is going to learn that two heads are better than one, even if one of them is an idiot.
I can hear you, you know. We share a body.
Don't remind me.
Pepperoni. Huh? Huh? Whoa! Yikes! Every kid's gonna want one of those for Christmas.
There it is.
Initiate capture.
This is gonna be fun. Yoo-hoo! Over here, Tin Man. Look what you did.
We broke the fourth wall. It was an accident.
We're insured.
I certainly hope so. Sorry about that, folks. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. Come on, you rust bucket. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Yo, over here, you bag of bolts.
That's it! No more Mr. Nice Alien!
little privacy, please?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Please excuse us. Hey,
Wait a minute. Huh? Where'd he go?
Hey, fellas, up here. Heads up.
seriously?
Is that the best he can do? Snap, snap, snap!
I hope you saved the receipt on that thing.
We surrender!
And if I ever catch you guys in my neighborhood again, I'll peck you so full of holes, you'll double as lawn sprinklers.
Let's get out of here!
For once, I agree with you. That Earthling is a lunatic!
Lunatic? I'll take that as a compliment. Hello? I'd like to order a pizza to be delivered, please. On second thought, I'll come pick it up.
Open this door so I can turn on your lights, Woodpecker!
Try this.
Thank you.
Didn't see that one coming. Or did I?
Cut! That's a wrap, folks.
Hey, kid, where's my bottle of water? Huh. Buzz, baby, I love that you do your own stunts.
So does my chiropractor. Woody, I've been thinking, how about just once I win at the end of an episode?
I understand where you're coming from, buddy. But it's not me, it's the fans. They demand to see the handsome hero win.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, gang, the publicity department needs a photo of the three of you.
Yeah, no problem.
You got it.
Make sure you get my good side. Who am I kidding? Both sides are my good side.
Say cheesy.
Jeez.
Thanks a million, gang.
Well, see you all tomorrow.
That bird needs a taste of his own medicine. I've always wanted to direct. Oh, this ought to make things interesting for that spoiled little redhead.
Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sir.
Okay, Woodpecker, get ready to star in my latest cartoon, Buzzed by Buzz. Came up with the title myself.
Oh, I'm crazy. What can I do? So are you. Hey, where did everything go? What's the deal? Could this be a circus episode? Oh! Whoa, whoa. Ah. Huh? Phew, you know, maybe this is just a really weird dream.
And it's about to get weirder.
Whoa! Should have brought my swim fins. You don't want to eat me, Mr. Shark. Woodpeckers don't taste very good, so I've heard. Huh?
Try outrunning this.
Yikes! Nowhere to go but up. Better wait out the storm.
Fasten your seatbelt, hero. It's about to get very bumpy.
Oh, what now? Seriously? Phew. A snake. It just had to be a snake. Huh? What the? Huh? Where am I? Help! Buzz, time for a plot twist.
How did you...
You should know by now, Buzz. Never run afoul of this fowl. Hey! Give me that back! No, it's mine! Mine!
No way, it's mine! No, it isn't.
Look what you did!
Me? This is all your fault, superstar.
How are they going to animate the next episode?
Who cares? I'm never gonna work with you again.
That goes ditto for me, pal.
Hey, what's the big idea? Wait a second.
If you're here and I'm here, who's drawing this?
Cut!
She's here, right on time. Why, hello there, Winnie. Come on in, the water's fine.
Why, thank you. So, what did you plan for our big date?
More like, what didn't I plan? First, we'll start with a bite to eat. Entrez-vous.
Ooh!
Followed by a little dancing. Then we'll cap our day with a little quiet time.
Oh, Woody, that all sounds wonderful. Ooh, such a gentleman. But first, I need to freshen up.
Yeah! Woohoo! What? No!
What was that?
Nothing. Let's eat.
Did you hear that?
Nervous habit.
There it is again.
I ate a lot of sugar this morning.
There's definitely someone at the door.
I'm sure it's just the wind.
Why are you being so... Chilly Willy? Oh my, you must be freezing.
He's a penguin. Penguins love the cold.
Did you get caught in the storm? Poor baby.
Ooh.
I bet you're hungry.
Hey, that's my seat.
Will you grab another plate, Woody, please?
Oh, it's supposed to be we time, not three time. Give him a plate. He's so small, and where did the food go?
Oh, don't be rude, Woody. Chili's our guest.
Here you go. Forget the meal. Come on. Let's dance, baby. Huh?
so light on your feet.
Excuse me. Well, by all means. May I cut in? Pardon me. My turn. After you. Sure.
Ah, that's better.
You! How about you and I relax by the fire? Huh? Ooh, that is it! I am gonna draw you a bath. Penguins like the water, right? Just trying to be the host with the most. Such a cute little fella. Now, where were we?
No, the fire's going out.
Oh, that's all right. I'll just toss another log on it. But how did you... No! You're pure evil!
Where'd Woody go? Oh, to gather more wood for the fire. How thoughtful of him. It's definitely getting colder. Oh, you're so sweet.
Huh? Winnie! Winnie! Let me in!
Huh, did you hear something? Oh, Chili, you're the best!
Woodrow, a woodpecker speaking.
Woody, where are you? Splinter and Knothead's birthday party started an hour ago.
I was just, on my way out the door when you called.
Ah, good. Because all the twins can talk about is the present you promised them.
The present?
You forgot to get it, didn't you?
Winnie, how dare you suggest that I forgot the thing?
The Mega Station video game console?
I'll have you know I have it right here in my hands. Wrapped and ready.
Oh, wonderful. See you soon.
If I was a Mega Station console, where would I be hiding? Oh, no. Phew. Last one. Hey, let go the twins' birthday present.
This birthday present is for my niece and nephew, Flip and Tusker. Come back here with my present!
Samples! Cheese samples!
Ooh!
You red-headed cuckoo bird!
Whoa!
Ta-da!
So, you want to play with your food, do ya? Incoming!
Samples!
Oh, hi, Winnie.
Woody, where are you? We're about to sing happy birthday.
Just hit a little bit of traffic. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Can I get my hands on that? Oh, hello, pretty ballerina. You don't happen to have seen a mega station?
Hey!
Little birdie, you want to get away from me this time.
Huh?
Cheese samples.
Ah.
Ooh. Now you're making me real mad. I'm the king of the world, food baker.
I can't believe I lost to a walrus.
One mega station, please.
Would that be cash or credit?
I'll be taking that, thank you.
Attention shoppers, Big Bulk Mart is now closed. We will reopen at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Hey, wait, don't let me, don't let. What are we gonna do all night?
Ah!
Got it! Ha-ha! Oh, good one.
You're really good at this, Wally.
Hold on.
Now, where to put the wreath? Ooh, sounds like Santa's coming early. Hey, Wally, what do you think you're doing?
This year, I'm going to have the biggest Christmas tree on the whole block.
Well, this isn't a Christmas tree. It's my home!
Well, your home is going to spend this Christmas outside my home, covered in pretty decorations.
Nothing says Christmas like a snowman.
This is not over, food baker!
Just gotta find the right place. Whoa! Huh? Santa? Ooh, this Christmas I want a pony and a bike and a skateboard and a space helmet, but I'd be willing to settle for a huge pile of cash.
Fine, you want to go big, little birdie? We'll go huge!
Gotta get this up before... Huh?
Nothing says Christmas spirit like heavy machinery. Whoa! Where am I? Huh?
Don't worry, this ice is rock solid. See?
No!
Well, I stand corrected.
Phew!
You should really dress more warmly. You'll catch cold. Does it seem a little quiet to you? Too quiet.
Like my grandma Walrus used to say, if at first you don't succeed, blow something up.
Need a light?
Shoo!
Hey, Wally, let's talk this out.
Too late for out-talking, Woodpecker. I have lost my patience.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Woody. Merry Christmas, Wally.
Hey, what are we doing, Wally? It's Christmas time. Peace on Earth and all that.
Yeah, you're right. But I still don't have a Christmas tree.
Ah! You do the honors, Wally.
No, you, Woodpecker. I insist.
Together.
Together.
Not bad, but something's missing.
Welcome, everybody. It's nearly time for my annual Easter egg hunt. Collect as many kaleidoscopic eggs as you can. And whoever finds the most wins this giant chocolate bunny.
Wouldn't it be nice if we won, Woody? We could share the bunny with the twins.
Share? Oh, no. I've been training for months. I'm flying solo on this mission.
Fine, then you can take your overstuffed bunny friend to the movies next weekend.
You have 30 minutes. Oh, one more thing. If you find the gigantic egg I had, it counts as 25 regular-sized ones. Let the games begin.
Got one. And another
Attention, egg people! 15 minutes to go!
I gotta find me that extra egg.
See ya!
Attention! 10 minutes remaining!
We got this in the bag.
Look at all these eggs, babe! The bonus egg, baby!
Ooh.
This game's a lock!
Huh?
What's going on here?
Buzz, can you hear me?
Look, Veronica, we won!
Oh, yoy, the mother load! Huh? It's so light.
That's 'cause it's a balloon.
Huh? Huh? No, no, no! Scramble for the eggs!
Bye! Have a nice flight! Hey! You poached our eggs! You mean our eggs? Yeah, our eggs!
Say that again to my face, you
Why don't you pick on
bird.
someone your own size? Why don't you take your new boyfriend and beat it like an egg?
Good one, babe.
By you little...
Don't mind me. I'm just cleaning up.
Oh, no, you don't.
Uh-oh. Huh? She's gonna blow!
Woody!
Well, you can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
No, nobody will get the chocolate.
That's a lot, Woody.
3, 2, 1! What happened?
Why don't you ask Woody?
The yolk is on all of you. Looky what I just found. I'm the winner.
Sorry, Woody, but that's not the egg I hid.
What are you talking about? Huh? What?
Mama!
Help!
You wanted the bunny all to yourself, remember?
Oh.
Mama! Mama!
Anyone hungry? Well, happy Easter, everybody.
Hi, Woody. Hi. Thanks for watching the kids today.
No problemo.
What happened here?
Oh, I was just having a little snack.
Sheesh.
Hey, are you two wearing Feather Scout uniforms?
Uh-huh.
Well, I was a Feather Scout, too.
Did they offer a badge for gorging on junk food back then?
For your information, Splinter, a Wilderness Woody remains the stuff of Feather Scout legend. Hey, why don't I help you earn a badge or two while we're together?
I guess that'd be okay. Yeah, it's always useful to learn the way of the ancients.
Well, it's a good thing I kept my Feather Scout uniform. Hey, check me out. Fits like a glove, huh? How about we work on the survival badge? That was always my favorite.
There are 3 steps to earning a survival badge. Gather food, build a fire, prepare shelter.
As easy as falling off a log, Knothead. I got this.
Huh? What log? Step 1, gathering food. For a list of edible plants.
You don't learn how to be a woodsman from a book. You live it. You two aren't gonna catch anything with those. Voila!
That rod doesn't seem very wildernessy, Woody.
I'll have you know that...
Hey, I hooked something.
Oh, me too!
Oh, please, watch and learn. No catfish is a match for the Rodomatic Ultra Pro 5000! Whoa! Fish on!
Are you calling 911?
No, I'm filming!
Okay, let's keep it simple for step number 2, all right? Twigs, spark, campfire.
Actually, I have matches in my knapsack, Woody. And the guidebook says to... Awesome.
Guidebook, Smidebook. Ta-da! Thank you. Thank you. How come you're not filming now?
Woody!
Just smell that crackling fire.
That's your head!
My head?
I can't watch this time.
Don't worry. I'll upload all the footage to YouTube and you can view it later. This goes here. No. Oh.
Step number 3 is taking too long.
But we need to learn how to prepare a shelter.
Shelter Smelter, follow me. Ta-da! And it's a heck of a lot sturdier than your tent.
How do you know it's safe?
Safe, Smape.
But the guidebook says... to check for signs of occupancy.
Splinter? What? If I don't record it, how will it go viral?
Thanks again, Wilderness Woody.
Oh.
We didn't earn our survival badges, but the first aid patch is really cool.
And because of your epic fails, I've gone viral. Oh, Woodrow, are you still in much pain?
Only when I blink.
Ew. Lunchtime!
Well, breaking nearly every bone in my body has made me kind of hungry. I've got the need to feed. What's on the menu?
Catfish.
Catfish!
Pure gold!